raw meat because it's a premium cut. So I also want to just spend a little time talking about the fridge. So if you've got another, we might have to have another piece of paper. So I'm just going to go over here, down to the bottom of my page, and I want to talk about the, we're going to draw a diagram of a domestic fridge. So you're going to draw two diagrams. This one here can be a domestic fridge, so one you would have at home. And if we think of the one at home, you'll probably have a freezer down the bottom. And you know now that this is between minus 14 to minus 18 degrees Celsius. And in your home kitchen, your fridge will usually have a vegetable drawer. So let's just draw in here a vegetable drawer. Which is sealed to regulate the temperature. You know, so that you're not getting these ups and downs. But in your vegetable drawer, I want you to think about how you store those vegetables. So it's important you should keep things in bags. And this is at home or at work. So things like tomatoes, avocados, apples, but also fruits like nectarines. They will absolutely benefit from staying in a bag. And these there's a whole group of vegetables that give off a gas called ethylene. And this gas will cause other vegetables to perish faster, such as green leafy vegetables, spinach, lettuce, any of those green things. And lettuce absolutely should be, keep them in bags. It doesn't matter if it's plastic or paper. But you need to keep these ones away from these ones, because these ones will perish faster. So, if you're using if you're getting herbs such as parsley, for instance, or basil, herbs that have a stem, it's best to recut the stem when you get them home or at work. So if you get a delivery of a big bag of parsley, then you should just recut the stem like you would with flowers, and then put them in a jug or a jar of water. And with the herbs, if you're in somewhere hot, you should keep them in the fridge. And how they will last longer in the water is, again, if you cover the jug with plastic film or a bag. Just use a paper bag. Will stop fridge burn. And so what's happening is, by recutting the stems of your herbs, you're letting the water get sucked up again. And so it helps them to refresh and to start growing again. And the herbs will last much, much longer, and you will avoid wastage. So that's something to think of. So then above at home, above our veggie drawer, the bottom shelf is where we should have raw meat. And it should be